is Ma'am Bangeles, and for today I have another video which is related to our topic from the previous days, which is the trigonometric ratios of special triangles. And as you could remember, the special triangles are the 45-45 90-degree triangle and the 30-60 90-degree triangle. We already discussed how we derive the ratios of the following special triangles. So for today, I'm going to teach you a technique on how you can get those ratios without using the calculator, without solving or even drawing the special triangle. That is just by using the palm of our hand. Okay. So we're gonna use our hands, our fingers, to identify the ratio of a specific special triangle. So I have here a sample hand. So you can look, all of you can stare at your left hand facing your face, like this. So this is how it would look like. Your thumb would be that 0 degree. Your point finger would be the 30 degree. The middle finger is your 45 degree. Your ring finger is your 60 degree. And lastly, the smallest finger would be the 90 degree angle. Okay, so say for example, let's have an example on how you're gonna do it. So say for example, we're gonna look for sine 30 degree. So again, look at your hand, face it in front of you, you'll see this hand, and then this is your 30 degree. Am I right? So fold it, and then all you have to do is to count the number of fingers left both on the right and on the left of your 30 degree angle. So how many were left on your left? Yes, it's 1. How many were left on the right side of the 30 degree? 1, 2, 3. 3. So all you have to do, you're gonna take the square root of the number of fingers left both on the left and the right divided by 2. So which gives us on the left side, we have 1 or square root of 1 over 2. The square root of 1 is 1 over 2. While on the right side, we have 3. So square root of 3 over 2 gives us square root of 3 over 2. On the thumb side of your hand is the sine 30 degree. Meaning, sine 30 degree is 1/2. While on the right side of your 30 degree or of your fingers will be the cosine value. So cosine 30 degree now gives us square root of 3 over 2. Did you get me? You may check your calculators or even the table we made if our answers are correct. Another, what if you're looking for tangent 30 degree? Again, fold your finger, get the values of sine and cosine. Sine is 1/2, cosine is square root of 3 over 2. We all know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, while cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. All you have to do, since tangent is opposite over adjacent, all you have to do is to take the numerator of the sine and the numerator of the cosine and make it as a ratio. So we have here our opposite is 1, while our adjacent is square root of 3. Therefore, tangent 30 degree is 1 over square root of 3. Good job! Now this time, we will be looking for sine, cosine, and tangent 45 degrees. So again, your fingers, this is 45 degrees. Fold it and count the numbers of fingers left on the left and on the right of your 45-degree angle. On the right side or on the thumb side is the sine, and on the other side is the cosine. So we were both left with 2 fingers on each side. Now we have square root of 2 all over 2 is square root of 2 over 2. Sine 45 is square root of 2 over 2. On the right side, we have 2 fingers, so it's square root of 2 over 2. Therefore, cosine 45 degrees is also square root of 2 over 2. What about the tangent? Again, we get the numerator of both sine and cosine. We get square root of 2 over square root of 2. So, tangent 45 degrees is 1. Now, it's your turn. Try to find out what is sine, cosine, and tangent 60 degrees using your